Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back to share with you guys a Memorydex card that I created for Anna, and she is Serenity Creations here on YouTube. I'm sure you guys all know who she is, but if you guys don't know, Anna's favorite flower is a sunflower. So I actually pulled out my Spellbinders Create a Sunflower die. Actually, I've never used this, so I actually had to read the instructions. And it's actually just this set right here. I have my triangles in here as well. So there's a lot of little pieces, but I went ahead and put it together and used my die from Allie, this Memorydex die. So I didn't use this piece, but just the outline, and created a Memorydex with a sunflower. So here is what it looks like. Let me zoom in a little bit. I hope you guys can see that a little bit clearer. I used some Lawn Fawn, I think it's really rainbow paper, and I covered the front and the back. I also layered, I think, 3 more times of 110-pound cardstock in between. I like things to be sturdy, and this is not bending or anything. So I knew that the sunflower was going to take up the majority of the space on this Memorydex, and I wanted it to be the focal point. So I created the flower on just white cardstock, and then I colored it with my Distress Oxide inks. So I used mustard seed and fossilized amber for the yellow, and then I used mowed lawn and one other green, and I can't remember. I'm sorry, I can't remember, just a darker green. And after I had adhered it, and you can see how dimensional this is. Basically, there's a set of petals that are bigger than the other, and you need to make, I think, 4 layers, but I ended up making 5, I believe, because I wanted it to be as dimensional as possible. And then after it was all created, I remember that I have some glitterific, and I actually pulled them out. So I used 3 different colors of my glitterific. I apologize for that glare. On the yellow, I used the yellow neon, and as you can see, because it's over top of the Distress Oxide inks, you can't tell that it's neon, but it matched perfectly. For the leaves, I used the lime neon, same thing. And then the center that you can't see at all, I used the copper glitterific. For my sentiment here, I have this word set that I've had for a really long time. I don't even know where it comes from, but I cut that several times out of white cardstock and then used a mirror cardstock in gold, and it says shine bright. And of course I always lose the little tittle on the eyes, so I used gems instead for both words. I wanted something a little bit more to decorate it, so not only did I add some Pretty Pink Posh gems in several different colors. I think it came from 3 different packs of Pretty Pink Posh gems. And then I found this tiny butterfly die that I had in my stash. I cut them out of some more Lawn Fawn paper. I think it's their spring paper. And then for the centers, I used my Nouveau drops in apple, green apple, I believe, just to give it a little bit more definition. I just adhered the middle section down and kind of fluffed up the wings, and then I used my crystal stickles on the bodies. So it's busy, it's blingy, it's yellow, so I hope Anna loves it. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week so far, and I will be back real soon with another video. Bye everyone.